Amaqembu ezombusazwe akubeke eceleni ungaboni ngasolinye amangazulinye ukuyoweseka umndeni. Omunye umsola uJacobus Klassen oneminyaka engamashumi amane nesishiyagalombili ubudala ubheke necala ukuzama ukubulala. Usola ngokuzama ukugwilizisa omunye umfanyana ngesikhathi betholana phezulu ngokusetshenziswa kwendawo yokubhukuda.
There are issues pertaining to investigations that are outstanding, and we regard those evidential material that is outstanding very important for our case. That's why it will be important for us to obtain that evidential material before we can proceed with the trial.
Abasolo ababili okunguYohanel oneminyaka engamashumi amathathu nantathu ubudala kanye noStefanos van der Westhuizen oneminyaka engamashumi amane nantathu ubudala babheke necala lokushaya kanye lokwehlisa isithunzi. Bona badedelwe ngesixwayiso.
I think it symbolically shows that racism is an anathema. It's not something that must be taken lightly. And South Africans are very, very much abhorred about what has happened.
Ukuhlehliswa ubuhlanga kwenze ukuba kube nempikisho.
It shows a whole lot of incompetence from the SAPS, and for that we are really not happy. But we are still pleading with the fighters, the family to exercise and the community to exercise restraint. And so far, we still have confidence in the processes of the law.
It meant that we are going to approach the South African Human Rights Commission and put forward our case on why this is also a human rights abuse on the two young black youths that were affected during the incident of this.
We will stand in support of the family. We will stand out there and keep sending out our message as the African Transformation Movement that racism must be regarded as an illegal matter in this country.
Umndeni wamabhungu amabili uthi uzomangalela abasolwa.